Hey, William, did you see a butterfly? Who brought it over here?
That doggy did.
What doggy?
Our doggy.
Our doggy brought a butterfly? What'd you do with it?
Nothing.
Was it flying around? Where'd the doggy bring it? In his mouth? Where'd he bring it?
In a bucket.
The dog brought a butterfly in a bucket?
A butterfly one.
That's cool.
There's a butterfly on it.
Oh.
It's down on it.
Oh.
What else happened?
Nothing.
Mm.